Hi guys, in this video we will learn how to purchase from a Banggood using a discount coupon from Exclusive Deals website. We go to the site and then click on the section for the store. We choose the store we want to buy from. Then we choose the coupon or deal that suits us. Copy the coupon. After that, we will go directly to the site we want to buy from. In this case, we have chosen a Banggood. We are looking for the product we want to buy. We click on it. We create a new account to be able to purchase. We choose the product. We click on it. We follow the purchase stages. And fill the information correctly. We put the coupon in this box and then we click on apply. The product will be directly discounted. Thank you for watching the video.